Kaspa on the weekly chart continues to hold within a Fibonacci key area of support between the 0.11144 and the 0.05487. And on today's update video, I will be discussing a potential reversal scenario which can easily take us to new all-time highs, and above all, dive deep into the daily chart, giving you key areas of supports that we need to continue holding above. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video here on the weekly chart, I still maintain that from the lows we made back in 2023, we saw an aggressive bounce over here taking us to new all-time highs, completing the formation of that impulsive edge wave count 1. Then we started a corrective structure in the formation of a larger edge wave count 2, whose minimum target areas were given by connecting the Fibonacci's from the lows we made back in 2023 to the new highs, and also doing the area that I have been paying attention to as a Fibonacci key area of support for that second wave has been between the Fib level 0.5 and the 7.8, which is the red target area, an area that we have now fully maximized, and there's a very high chance that the low is in and a bounce is now imminent in the formation of these impulsive edge wave count 3, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the Fib extension from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then connecting the Fibonacci's to the lows we made in the formation of that second wave, and also doing the area that I'm paying attention to as my next impulsive target area lies on the Fib level 1.618, and that lies above the 0.37413 as our next target area. Then we can expect a pullback in the formation of that wave 4 and then continue pushing to new highs in the formation of that edge wave count 5. And for that movement to play out, then we need to see Kaspa holding within this red target area over here, break above key areas of resistances like the area above the 0.1 mark, flipping it back into support. Also managed to break above significant swing highs like the highs above the 0.15872 and the 0.21 in the next coming days. And the moment that plays out, then a new all-time high will be imminent. But if by any chance we continue seeing further weakness on the market and we continue pushing lower, then there's a very high chance that in the next coming days we are going to see a reset of the lows we made on the 7th of April on the daily chart. And here on the daily chart, you can see that we have been holding within a golden pocket over here from the lows we made on the 7th of April to the highs we made above the 0.132, where you can see that Kaspa has been holding between the 0.09231 and the 0.06959, even after overshooting the Fib level 0.78 over here. And that is a very positive sign, which is indicating that Kaspa still has that momentum to continue pushing higher, and all we need to see is a break above key areas of resistances. But if by any chance we continue seeing further weakness in the market and we get a sustained break to the lower side of the Fib level 0.88, and that lies above the 0.06213, then I will be expecting to get a reset of the lows we made on the 7th of April in the next coming days as the worst case scenario. So that is all that I'm expecting here on the Kaspa chart, on the short term and also on the long term. And those are the key areas that you need to pay attention to. And let us be patient and see how that plays out, and I will ensure you stay up to date.